If you have diabetes, it is essential to keep a close eye on the amount of carbohydrates you consume. It is possible to feel better and keep your blood sugar levels stable by reducing the amount of carbohydrates you consume. For those who are watching their carbohydrate intake, what kinds of foods should they consume? Despite the fact that you are generally familiar with low-carb mainstays such as meat, eggs, and dairy products, there are other foods that you might not anticipate to be low in carbohydrates, such as dark chocolate. There are a variety of carbs, and not all of them are created equal. In the case of simple carbohydrates, your body is able to digest them very fast, which results in rapid rises in blood sugar. These are found in sugary beverages, candy, and certain meals that are consumed for breakfast. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates are steadier sources of energy and require more time to break down than simple carbohydrates. Foods made with whole grains, for instance, are abundant in both complex carbohydrates and minerals. When it comes to carbohydrates, the appropriate amount for someone with diabetes differs from person to person. However, it is a good idea to seek the advice of a healthcare professional in order to receive individualized recommendations. Next, let's take a look at the top 8 low-carb meals that diabetics should consume. Number 1, strawberries. These sweet berries have relatively low sugar content, a high fiber content, and a high concentration of vitamins and antioxidants, all of which contribute to the regulation of blood sugar levels and the maintenance of a healthy heart. Number 2, kale. Kale, which is a superfood that is low in carbohydrates, provides a multitude of nutrients while only containing a minimal quantity of carbohydrates in each meal. Number 3, dark chocolate. When consumed in moderation, dark chocolate with a high cocoa content is a dessert that is low in carbohydrates and rich in antioxidants and nutrients. Consuming this type of chocolate can help reduce inflammation and the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Number 4, avocado. Avocados are not only low in carbohydrates, but they also contain a wide variety of critical nutrients and good fats, making them an excellent choice for general health. Number 5, meats and eggs. Excellent low-carb protein options include lean meats and eggs, which will keep you feeling full and energized for a longer period of time. Number 6, asparagus. This versatile vegetable boasts a low carbohydrate content and is abundant in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, all of which contribute to improved digestion and immune system health. Number 7, seafood. Some fish, such as salmon, trout, sardines, and others, are not only low in carbohydrates, but also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial to the health of the heart and the body as a whole. Number 8, almonds. As a result of their low carbohydrate content and high content of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and key minerals, such as magnesium, nuts like almonds are beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. It is important to keep in mind that controlling your portion sizes and maintaining a healthy diet are the keys to effectively managing your carbohydrate intake. If you want individualized nutritional suggestions that are suited to your unique requirements, you should consult with a healthcare practitioner. Many thanks for viewing, and please remember to give our channel a like and subscribe to it.